Chicken thighs in a creamy mustard sauce. Season our chicken thighs with some salt, black pepper, paprika, olive oil. Place the chicken skin side down, and after letting it cook for about a minute or so, set them aside. Knob of butter, chopped red onions, garlic, white wine vinegar, chicken stock, Dijon mustard, whole grain mustard. Add in the chicken, cover it with the lid and just let it cook. Heavy whipping cream, parsley. Pour that sauce over our chicken thighs. That looks absolutely delicious. Let me taste. This might be one of the best chicken dishes I've cooked. It's amazing. Cheers and keep cooking. Shrimp and grits. Cleaned and deveined shrimp, Cajun seasoning, pepper, paprika as well. Cauliflower, good blitz. Couscous like consistency. Chicken stock, cauliflower grits. And now let it cook for 10 minutes. Salt, pepper, butter, cheddar cheese, heavy whipping cream, few slices of bacon, chop them into nice biggish pieces and just let it cook. Remove it from the pan. Add in my shrimp, garlic, butter, parsley, lemon juice. Sprinkle on some of that crispy bacon. Top it with some of our shrimp, parsley and some chives. Our shrimp and grits are ready. I'm going to dig in. Wow, 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 wow. That is super creamy, cheesy. I could eat this every day. Cheers and keep cooking. Keto beef stroganoff today. Start by chopping up 200 grams of mushrooms, half an onion, the white of a spring onion. Chop my beef, cut them into nice long strips. Salt, pepper, olive oil and heat it till it's nice and hot. Add in my beef, cook it low and slow till it's tender. Remove the beef now, pour out that liquid and set it aside. More olive oil and fry the remainder of my beef. My beef looks like it's going to continue to stew, so I'm going to remove it from the pan. Throw in a big chunk of butter. Throw in my onions, my mushrooms, salt and some pepper, paprika and cayenne pepper. Put my beef in, half a liter of water, cover it and cook it. Cook it till the beef is nice and tender. Finish it off with some sour cream, some regular heavy cream, and your stroganoff is ready to serve. Shave a zucchini and I'm going to make nice egg noodles out of the zucchini. Fry it in a little bit of butter, just some salt to serve the stroganoff on those egg noodles. Top it off with a dollop of sour cream and those spring onion greens. Creamy and cheesy pork fried rice. Washed and cut up cauliflower florets in my food processor. Butter in a wok. Add in my riced cauliflower. Some salt, olive oil. Teaspoon of butter. Throw in the white of a spring onion. Pork mince. 2 cloves of chopped garlic. A pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, red chili flakes, chopped bell peppers, spinach, the cauliflower rice, freshly grated cheddar cheese, heavy whipping cream, parsley, spring onion greens, freshly chopped up olives. Finish it off with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some more fresh parsley. Our pork fried rice is ready. I love this. This is, for me, heaven on a plate. The perfect keto food. But yeah, this is it for me. Cheers and keep cooking. Today we're going to make a delicious pizza using the fathead method. Shredded mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Salt, garlic bread seasoning, almond flour. Then you microwave it for 30 seconds more. Add in that egg and you're going to whisk. Baking tray with some parchment paper. Oil my hands and make a nice little circular shape on the parchment paper. Now it's time to shape my dough. Poke a few holes so that it doesn't bubble up in the oven. Put this in the oven for a good 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now that it's done, flip it over and you can see it's lovely and golden. Keto tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, some ham, mushrooms. In the oven for about another 10 minutes. Basil leaves, fathead pizza, done. Let's dig in.
You're lying to me, right?
I'm not lying.
This can't be keto bread.
No, this is the keto bread.
This is bread, Sahil. You're lying to me. There's no way this is keto bread. It's ridiculous. It's exactly like bread. It's gooey, it's crusty, it tastes exactly like bread.
Cheers and keep cooking.